Welcome back to the universe of Tech Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn about jump statements, continue, break, return. On to the jump statements. What are the jump statements? The jump statements are used to control the flow of the execution in a program. The primary jump statements are break, continue, return, and throw. These are all the primary jump statements. First, we need to take a break. The break statement is used to exit a loop or a switch statements prematurely. When break is executed, the control is transferred to the statements. This is the how the break statements executes. The break is used to exit a loop or a switch statement prematurely. The continue. The continue statement used to skip the current iteration of a loop. It skips the current iteration of a loop and proceed to the next iteration. It can be used in for, while, and do while loops. We move on to the return statements. In return statement used to exit a function and optionally return a value to the caller. When return is executed, the function stops executing. The control is returned to the point where the function was called. A return statement is used to exit a function and optionally return a value to the caller. Next, throw. Throw statement is used to create a custom error. It can be used to throw exceptions like this that can be caught by try and catch blocks. In throw, we use it in try and catch blocks, right? So, summarize this. First, break statement it exits a loop or switch statements. That's it. In coming into the continue, it skips the current iteration of a loop. In continue, it skips the current iteration of a loop. In coming into the returns, it exits a function and returns a value. It exits a function and returns a value. Next, throw. It throws in custom errors. It's used in try and catch blocks. Essential for controlling the flow of the execution. It's all about the control structure. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.